Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add background in Capcut mobile. First of all, you can open the Capcut application. I can already open the app. After this, you can now tap on new project, and here you can just simply select the video or photo. Here I can select this video, and after selecting the video, you can now tap on add at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply pinch the video, and after pinch the video you can just simply tap on the arrow icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and here you can just simply swipe right at the bottom of the screen, tap on background, and here you can add background by the color or image or blur or brand backgrounds. I can select color background, and after this you can select the color. I can select white color, and you can now tap on tick at the bottom right corner of the screen, and it is the way you can add background in Canva in CapCut mobile. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.